Hi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn kitchen implements and toiletries. Please like and subscribe before starting. Let's get started. Kitchen implements and toiletries. Grater, peeler, whisk, cutting board, kitchen knife, scissors, can opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, wooden spoon, spatula, ladle, toaster, microwave, kettle, dinnerware, plate, bowl, cup, mug, silverware, knife, fork, spoon, chopsticks, saucepan, frying pan, wok, colander, blender, rolling pin, mortar, pestle, sieve. Toiletries and bathroom equipment. Shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, razor, shaving foam, shower gel, deodorant, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, dental floss, sponge, face wash, and toilet paper. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos. I really appreciate your support. If you liked this video, share it with your friends.